I got one, Kirk. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of D. Wingrove Outdoors. I'm here with my good buddy Kirk, and we're gonna do some kayak bass fishing today on the river here. Water's a little bit high, but that shouldn't be no problem. Well, it's pretty clear. It's looking like a good day, so hopefully we catch some fish, and I'll see you guys on the GoPro. Alright guys, off on the river. Probably gonna head over to this wall. There's always some smallmouth there, maybe by that pylon. But anyways guys, wish us luck. We're gonna hopefully get on some fish here very soon. Oh, got one, guys. I don't know what this is. Feels pretty nice. Oh yeah, it's pretty nice. This is pretty nice, guys. Ooh, this is real nice. Ooh, nice old smallie, guys. That was quick. He's off already. Did not, I was messing with the GoPro, guys, and he just took it. Nice little smallmouth there, first fish of the day. Let's put him back and hopefully get some more, guys. Look at that. There he goes. That was on the yellow twister tail. Pretty nice smallie to start the day. Let's try to get some more. Up, guys. Decided to head down the river. We usually catch a couple more smallmouth or sometimes some walleye up there, but Kirk caught 2 so far and I'm at 1 smallmouth, so we're gonna head on downstream and hopefully we catch some more fish for you guys. Would be nice to catch a few walleye today. We usually catch, oh, there's a bite. Sorry about that, guys. Had some action. Alright guys, I got one on. Missed the hookup, but he just hammered it. I think it's a nice smallmouth. He's fighting pretty good. Yeah, it'll be alright. He's not too big. He's a nice one though. That is a nice one. Number 2 on a day, guys. Kirk's up to 4. Nice little smallmouth. Pretty decent one for this river, but number 2, Kirk's at 4.
We know what color it is now.
Yep, we're gonna keep ripping them. Good one, guys. Ooh. Oh, that was a nice rainbow. Oh man, guys, that was something. A rainbow on this kind of bait, nuts. Kirk just caught a nice one, guys. Hold that thing up here, Kirk. Yeah, that's a nice smallmouth right there, guys. Hoping to catch some more. He's doing all the catching. I'm just a spectator at this point. There's one. Huh? There's one. You get one? Yeah. Not in the middle. This is a nice one. Huh? This is a real nice one. Yeah, it is. Yeah, so got a nice one, boys. Oh, I lost my paddle. Oh, great. That's a nice one right there.
Right on the bank.
Yeah, this one was out a little bit. That is a nice smallmouth right there, guys. Oh, that's a nice one. That is number 3 smallmouth. Had that rainbow get off. Had a walleye miss it. But that is a nice one. Get the release on him. Happy to get this boy. Oh, there he goes. Missed the hookup on this one, but I got another one on. Another decent one. No, this one's not too bad. Oh, this is a nice one. Oh yeah. Not bad at all. Glad we pulled over here. Another nice smallmouth.
Right out in front of that rock.
Yep. Out of there. Come on, buddy.
They seem like they're close to the shore, ain't it?
Yeah, they're staying close. That's another nice smallmouth right there, guys. Put him back in the water. Uh-oh, that's not good. My front GoPro's falling off.
That was fucking snag.
There's one. I got one on, Kurt. Oh, another nice one. This is a nice one. Oh, this is a nice one, Kurt. Yeah, he's about the same size as the last two. Long, skinny boy. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, another decent little smallmouth there, guys. On the yellow Mr. Twister. They love it. Went down the stream a little bit. Kurt got one on right now. Little smallmouth. And current makes them feel huge.
Feels like a monster in that water.
Yeah. There it is. Kirk, what's that for you today?
12.
12. Kirk got 12 on a day.
One walleye.
And one walleye. See if I can't get anything out of this little hole here. Guys, I wasn't expecting to catch a fish here, but I got one on. I don't know what it is. I got one, Kirk. Ooh, nice one. Nice smallie. Right off this point here. Hammered it. Didn't have the GoPro rolling, but it's rolling now, and I got him. Look at that. Come on, get up there, buddy. Look at that. Got it on a big camera now. Taking some B-roll. Next thing you know, you got a smallie on the bank. And he's in the bank. Oh, he's a pretty boy too. Not too bad of a little guy. Show the big camera, because why not? And give him a nice release, guys. Look at that. Number 6 for the day, boys. Let's get some more. There's one, guys. Little guy. Real little. Little boy. Number 7. It's a little dinker, but I'll take it. Come on, buddy. There he is. Get him back in the water so I can get back up there. I got one, guys. This is a nice one. I got one on, Kirk. Ooh, this is a nice walleye. Hey, Kirk, I got a real nice walleye on. Oh, get him in the boat. Oh, that's a nice one. Get him in the boat. First walleye today, guys. A nice one. That is a keeper, but I'm gonna let him go today because I'm feeling generous. Get that up there real quick. There he is, guys. I'm gonna get the hook out and release him real quick. Nice walleye right there, guys. Put him back in.
Right up in that deep water.
Trying to get my way back up to the honey hole because I know there's some more fish in there. And after that, the fishing really isn't the best. So I'm gonna try my best to get back up there and catch some more fish for you guys. It's gonna be a hard one now. Well, guys, another failed attempt at the glory hole. I'm gonna call it quits for the glory hole and see if we can't catch any more fish downstream, guys. Wish me the best. All right, guys, I got something on. I got one on, Kirk. I think it's another smallmouth. Oh, popped off. Popped off. Yeah, it was another smallmouth. Surprised me there in the current. Can't catch them all, though. I got one, Kirk. I don't know what this is. A little smallmouth. And they do. Ooh, this ain't no smallmouth. Is it? Yeah, it's smallmouth. I lied, guys. There's one. That one more cast did it, Kirk. Missed the hook set again, guys. Sorry about that. I'm trying to conserve a little bit of battery. But nice one, loaded up with something, eggs, or I don't know if they're having babies this time of year. A big old crayfish, but letting her go. Atta girl. All right, guys, we're heading down the last set of rapids. Not too sure on if we'll catch anything else today. Fishing below these rapids isn't the best, but we're gonna see what we can do here, and hopefully I'll be back to you guys with another fish. If not, I will see you guys at the campground. Uh-oh, I better keep the camera on for this. Uh-oh. Nope, guys, that wasn't too fun. Thought it'd be a little more exciting. There's one. There's one, Kirk. Uh-oh. I'm getting wrapped up in the trees. Bug. Let's see if I can get this boy out. There he is. Come on, boy. There you go, boy. Put him situated. Nice smallmouth there, guys. Uh-oh. This side. Come on, buddy. Cooperate for me there, bud. Bud. Oh, guys, here's that smallmouth. If I get a hold of him, not a bad one right there. I'm gonna get him back in the water. Alright guys, that's going to be the last fish of the day. We're back at the campground we're staying at. So I'll make a nice little wrap-up video for you guys on the big camera when we get back. So I'll see you guys when we get back. Alright guys, made it back to the campsite. Kirk's here. Had a pretty good day of fishing. A lot of smallmouth, a lot of walleye. Well, a couple walleye, but pretty good day overall. Enjoyed the day out on the river today. Haven't been posting as many videos, but gonna have some more coming out really soon, I should say. And that'll be all for today's video, guys. And until next time, like, comment, subscribe for more content, and we'll see you on the next one on D-Wing Grove Outdoors.